Welcome to Curioz. Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental aspects of personal finance, understanding what a budget is and why it's so important. A budget is a financial plan that outlines your income and expenses over a specific period, typically a month. It's like a roadmap for your money, helping you to manage your finances and make informed decisions. But why is having a budget so crucial? First and foremost, a budget gives you control over your money. It allows you to see exactly where your money is going and helps you to prioritize your spending. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make necessary adjustments. This control can lead to better financial stability and less stress. Secondly, a budget helps you to achieve your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or a down payment on a house, having a budget helps you to allocate funds towards these goals. It ensures that you're setting aside money regularly, making it easier to reach your targets. Another key benefit of budgeting is that it helps you to prepare for unexpected expenses. Life is full of surprises, and having a budget with an emergency fund can provide a safety net for those unforeseen costs like medical bills or car repairs. This can prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Moreover, budgeting can improve your spending habits. When you have a clear picture of your finances, you're more likely to make mindful spending choices. It can also highlight unnecessary expenses that you can cut back on, helping you to save more money in the long run. Lastly, a budget can help you to build wealth. By managing your expenses and saving consistently, you can invest in opportunities that can grow your wealth over time. This can include retirement accounts, stocks, or other investment vehicles. In conclusion, a budget is an essential tool for managing your personal finances. It gives you control over your money, helps you to achieve your financial goals, prepares you for emergencies, improves your spending habits, and aids in building wealth. Start budgeting today and take control of your financial future. For more tips on personal finance, make sure to subscribe to Curioz and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.